what's up guys? Welcome back to Action. So today I'm at senior high school and I'm going to perform a card trick for an art festival. So guys, for seniors I didn't mean to compete, and for juniors I didn't mean to patronize. So don't forget to like these videos if you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to give your comments below to improve my skill actually. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for my videos forward. So what are you guys waiting for?
Alright guys, let's check this out. So for now, I'm gonna help you guys to see what exactly a magician sees. So let's ask the spectators to say stop at any point. Now they can say stop anywhere they like. So let's say they say stop at the 2 of diamonds. Okay, I hope you guys can remember these cards. Okay, for now, that's a good choice. That is a very good choice for now. However, a good magician would get the spectators to choose another 2 cards. So we will take another 2 cards here, and we will take the ace of clubs and slide off between both 2 cards right there. We will place this deck aside. Now, we already leave with 4 cards here. Okay, we already have 4 cards that's selected. Okay, so we've got the King of Hearts, the Queen of Spades, the 2 of Diamonds, and the last is the Ace of Clubs. They've each got unique markings on the back. These are all blue backs. I don't know if you guys can see what I see, but let me help you guys to see it. You see, most magicians would use blue cards, right? However, I want you guys to see what I see. Okay? Can you see? They are now red. Every single card has changed into a red back. Every single one has changed. You guys can see here, every single card in the deck has changed, including the 2 of Diamonds, the King of Hearts, and the Queen of Spades. But it wouldn't be a good trick if this one wasn't red too.
Alright guys, so this is the end of my performance. So thanks for watching my videos till the end, and add your comments below for any requests for the tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so we can give you a notifications for our video next. And don't forget to like these videos for supporting my channel. Bye bye!